Hello viewers, today we are going to show you a high powered 150 watt digital soldering station model DSS HP03G sold by India Enterprises. Uh, we will show you how to unbox it, and we will also give details of accessories supplied along with this soldering station. So let's begin and open this box. You will get the equipment in this packing, and we will need to open this box. This is the calibration certificate. It is supplied along with each soldering station. So this is the operating manual. See, this is the main control unit. This is the support rack for holding the soldering iron. This is the soldering iron. The power cord for connecting the unit to the external power supply. This is the silicon pad and external grounding cord. So along with this soldering station, you will get all these accessories. So let us see how to connect the soldering iron to the main unit and the main unit to the external power supply. I will show you how to connect this soldering iron to the main unit with the help of this metallic connector. 3-pin power cord is used to connect it to the main power supply. Apart from this, this banana plug is connected to the rear side of the main unit, and this crocodile clip can be connected to the external EST grounding. So let's start and switch it on. The temperature is you can see temperature is rising. First we will show you the maximum temperature and minimum temperature range. It can attain maximum temperature of 600 degree centigrade, and the minimum temperature, by using the down key we can achieve the minimum temperature also. We need to keep pressing this down key, and we can see the minimum temperature range is 50 degree. So minimum temperature is 50 degree and the maximum temperature is 600 degree centigrade. Different type of soldering bits are also provided, but are optional for different soldering application, like for heavy mass soldering, general purpose soldering, miniature component soldering, and for other applications. A dry cleaning unit is also provided, this brass wool, for cleaning the soldering bits. If any extra soldering solder is deposited on the soldering bit, we can clean the soldering bit with the help of this brass wool. In order to maintain the quality standards, one needs to calibrate this unit periodically. First, we need to measure the tip temperature with the help of an external calibrator. Then, if any deviation is observed, then we will perform the calibration. First, just use some fresh solder and check the tip temperature with the help of this external calibrator. The actual set temperature is 300 degree, but the actual temperature is 282. So there is a difference of around 20 degrees centigrade, and now then this unit needs to be calibrated. So let's start and see how calibration is done. First, we need to press this star button and press this up and down button simultaneously. Then just feed the same value which was observed on the calibrated, that was 280. Use the down button, then again press star button and feed it, then again press star button. first 281, then again press star button to finish the. Now we will verify whether the set and actual temperature are same or not. Yes. So after doing the calibration, the set and actual temperature are almost same. So this is how the calibration is done. The next step is this soldering unit has a unique feature of password locking to prevent the operator from changing the temperature. So we will show you how to use this feature. First we need to switch the unit off, then press this up and down button simultaneously and switch the unit on. C will be flashing, then we need to press this star button and use the default password. Default password is 000. We will feed this 000. Use this up button to feed 0, then again star button, again up button, again star button, and then up button, again star button, then OK will be displayed, and then again we need to press this star and down button simultaneously, and any desired this password we can use, like we can use 999 as locking password. Use this up and down key to achieve 9, then press star button, and then again 9, again star, again, then again by pushing this up down button 9. We need to repeat the procedure once again. So this is how now the locking password is 999, and to activate this feature we need to switch unit off and switch it on. Now we can see even after pressing this up or down button we cannot change the temperature. Only the person who knows this password can change the temperature after putting that value. So this is a very unique feature to prevent any operator or any unauthorized person to change the temperature. So that's all we have right now. Thanks for watching.